What is up, guys? Check it out. We are out here getting lit on Friday, man. We got the underglow going on the mini truck. It's cold out here, guys. We got it going a little earlier. Took it out, checked it out, took it out for a ride, made sure everything was staying where it needs to stay. Let's back up here so we can get it in here. Yeah. Looks good, guys. Looks good. I'm enjoying it. I like it. Ordered a manifold for the air ride that should be here April 6th, I think it said. Man, it's cold, guys. Can't wait for that warm to come. Check it out in here. We ended up putting two Pioneers in here. Two 12-inch Pioneers. We got 1 amp for now, guys. I think we might swap this out again too. Dome lights changing colors. Floorboards changing colors down here. We got Friday on the head deck because it's Friday. You know, I ain't got no job, and this is all I got to do. Trap blazer sitting back there in the dark for now. It's coming though, guys, I'm telling you. But here in a few minutes, guys, I'm getting ready to turn this stuff off, and we're gonna do the headlights. We're gonna clean them up, get them out of there, get them cleaned up, and then we're gonna put some color change headlights up here and get that front end lit up a little bit. So that's what I'm working on tonight, guys. That's going on. What's going on here in the trap way. And you know, cold or not, rain or shine, day or night, you know we got to keep on trapping. But anyway, guys, we'll catch you in the next clip. Thanks for watching.